Welcome to this education programme from TSG Associates. My name is Jackie and I'll be your presenter during the training. Our aim is to instruct you how to use the Xtract SR Afloat. I will talk you through the safe operation of Xtract SR Afloat. Additionally, throughout the presentation, there are short videos to demonstrate using the equipment. We will cover the following topics: safety, preparation, moving your casualty onto the Xtract SR Afloat, entering and crossing a water feature, and maintenance. Let's first cover what is the Xtract SR Afloat. Xtract SR Afloat has been designed for rescue personnel who may have to cross certain water features with a casualty. It has a secondary use of assisting the insulation of a casualty from the ground. Safety in water operations is critical. Only personnel who have competency in appropriate water operation techniques should use Xtract SR Afloat. Xtract SR Afloat is a compact, lightweight flotation product. It has very specific limitations for its use. It must only be used on water that is flat, unobstructed, and with no technical difficulties. Now that we've covered the introduction and safety issues of Xtract SR Afloat, we will now move to using the product. First, we'll cover how to inflate it. You will note that there are 3 chambers to inflate. Each chamber must be inflated fully. To do this, unscrew the top cap of the valve. Blow into the valve to inflate the chamber. Refit the cap. Now that we have Xtract SR Afloat inflated, we will now look at how we move our casualty onto it. The Xtract SR Afloat is designed to be used with the Xtract stretcher. With your casualty held within an Xtract stretcher, move them onto the Xtract Afloat. How you do this will be determined by the casualty's condition and your own assessment. It is important that the shoulders are in line with the widest part of the product and the orientation is correct. All straps, bungees and restraints must now be removed from around the casualty and stored securely. The reduction cords at the foot and head ends of the Xtract stretcher must be fully released. It is critical to safe operations that there are no restraints that could cause a rescuer or casualty to be entangled or trapped during capsize or normal operations. For safe operations, it's important that Xtract SR Afloat is securely attached to the Xtract stretcher. To do this, there are 11 toggles. All 11 toggles must be used. Attach toggles to the handles of the Xtract stretchers as noted in the video. Before moving on to water, it's critical that a final safety check is carried out. The following checks must be completed. Is your casualty loaded centrally? Is the orientation of your casualty correct? Are the shoulders in line with the widest part of Xtract SR Afloat? Are all 11 toggles correctly attached? Finally, check all bungees, straps and restraints are clear from the casualty and stored securely. Now that we've prepared our casualty and the equipment, we will move on to crossing the water feature. Remember, Xtract SR Afloat is only to be used on water that is flat, unobstructed, and with no technical difficulties. You must ensure the casualty is observed at all times. Select a safe entry point and carefully enter the water. We recommend you lift into the water and not drag, as this could damage the equipment and affect its safe operation. When crossing the water, remember to consistently observe your casualty. A safe exit point should be used once the water obstacle is crossed. Xtract SR Afloat can be detached from the Xtract stretcher by removing the 11 bungees. To deflate, unscrew the lower portion of the inflation valves. A detailed set of instructions on the cleaning and decontamination of the product can be viewed in the user manual. Should you have any questions, please contact us. Additional information can be viewed at our website www.tsgassociates.co.uk. Thank you for taking this training.